Hey, hope everybody had an awesome week. I'm Lee here with Planet Cheapskate. I'm popping on here to do our weekly rate update and hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. It is 4th of July weekend, so be safe popping off those fireworks. It's one of my favorite holidays. I spend it with my dad. We have a lot of fun, and I think it's probably his favorite holiday. But hey, Ando, it's nice to see you. But yeah, I'm just popping on here. This is a weekly rate update that we do, just so you know what the rates look like going into the weekend. These are not rates that you can go to your bank, your credit union, and get. These are rates that I get by making 50 of the most competitively priced lenders compete all over the United States. And then it is for your information that you can then take to your bank and kind of hold them accountable, because banks have a tendency to kind of give you whatever they can get away with. This way, when you make banks and lenders compete, you're going to get your best options. So uh, I have some exciting news. I'm now partnering. I'm supporting the ICT River Ride. So that's down on the river. You're going to see my banner out there if you go and look. Hey, Denise, thanks for the awesome emojis. Cheers. Can't wait to hang out and see you later. But I'm partnered up with the ICT River Rider. He's doing river rides down there on the river. Maybe I'll go. I have a little bit of cash, so maybe I can take Denise out to that later tonight. But we're growing fast. It's awesome. It's just I'm working with a few mentors, and they're kind of telling me that when you get closer and closer to 1,000, it's going to start going fast. So I'm excited about that. Can't wait to get to that 1,000, so then I can give away $1,000 to one of you guys out there. And we just want to build this community up. I want you guys to get on these videos, answering other people's questions about your experiences. I don't want it to just be me. I want this to be a community where we all can contribute. And hey, who knows, maybe someday you'll be making videos on Planet Cheapskate, which I'm perfectly fine with. I'm down with. I want this to be a shared community. So that's awesome. We're going to go straight to the moon with this thing. And awesome news. We got some huge news ahead. I'm going to be doing some marketing things, getting our name out there. It's going to be awesome stuff. So with that said, let's jump right to these rates. Rates are looking really good. They did drop. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. So that's awesome. So without further ado, let's get right to these rates. Conventional's looking good. It's at 5.375 with an APR of 5.642. So that's a 0.5% drop. That's huge in our market. So that's crazy awesome. FHA is at 4.5 with an APR of 5.495. That's a little over a third of a percent drop. VA is at 4.5 at 4.695. That's a little bit about a third of a drop. USDA is at 4.5 with an APR of 4.939. So FHA, VA, USDA both dropped about a third. Conventional dropped a whole 0.5%. That's awesome news for us. If you're out there, you're getting ready to close, get your rate locked. You want to lock in now, because this is more than just a dead cat bounce where you're just going to have a temporary drop. This is a huge drop. You want to take advantage of it. You want to get those rates locked in. Other than that, I've had a little bit of trouble with my Monday market update. The website is kind of dropping the ball. I have something in the works to replace it. It's going to take a little bit more work on my part, figuring the statistics and getting, what we were following before and kind of correlating with what we can do going forward. That's going to, kind of see with the market. But I am still watching the statistics myself, and I can tell you that we are experiencing a flip where it's going to be flipping from a seller's to a buyer's market. I'm forecasting probably sometime around the winter, you're going to see maybe a 10 to 15% discount on home prices. And then probably by 2023, you're going to see anywhere from 15, 20, 25% discount in prices and homes from where we're at now. So if you're out there looking, be patient, take your time. But if you do find that home that you love, go ahead and buy it, and we can always refinance you later down the road. Okay. So hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. Don't want to hear about anybody blowing off any fingers or anything. Be safe, and I will see you guys next week.